what's happening, guys. I don't know where we are in the mix of things. I think this video is going to come out before the one before it, but we're back here to get cutting. You can see where all the greenery is. We've already cut that. We're down to the trees there on the other side, so I need to get from here to the trees and then go across and start doing that. We got the SRM225, and you guys liked the SRM225 video, so I figured I'd start reading the people that watch and make another one. So let's get down here and we'll get it going. We got a cut on this hillside, which is kind of gonna suck, but there's not a ton of it. Here we go. I think I already ran it a few minutes ago. Oh, I must have hit. I mean, it starts good. It's not as powerful as the 525, but it's not supposed to be. I think the 525's got to be the most powerful trimmer on the market. But listen to that. You hearing that? It sounds amazing. Everything Echo sounds amazing. I don't know how they did it, but they must have like a patented muffler design or something. So, all right, keep on going. done. I don't know if you could see, we started way down there where the grass is green and worked our way up to the van. So from the road to the fence, all the way down is done. Now we're running short on time, so we're gonna walk back to the van, have a little chitty chat. So, guys, this Echo, that's some hard cutting right there. So I'm using the Husqvarna, what is it, like the Husqvarna Platinum line. It's just this serrated, I don't know if you guys can even see it, but that's my line of choice. Husqvarna makes some good line, but yeah, this 225, I feel like my older 225 has more power, which is weird, but she cuts. You know, well, we got to go back and do this side again from that green grass to the van. But oh, sorry guys, you got a dirty lens. It's probably worse now, isn't it? Is that a big scratch I just put in it? Oh, I think I just put a big old scratch in it. Oh well. So yeah, like I said, I don't know where I'm at in the video count. I think there's 1 or 2 videos out on this job that I haven't put out yet, but I'm going to put this one out right away because I'm getting too far behind and they start getting lost in the shuffle and do all this work, you know, all this. This isn't insignificant, guys. Look, you can't even see where we started. It's not insignificant, and you do all the work. And of course you get paid to do the work, so it's worth it, right? But you also put in the effort to make a video, and then you don't do nothing with it. That's the story of my life. So anywho, we're almost back to the van, and I'm gonna get loaded up, cleaned up, get off to the next job. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next one. Woo!